Alright, we're back in the community garden plot, and I was gifted some pumpkin plants, and I think everyone knows, or everyone that has kids knows that they request pumpkins, so we're going to be growing pumpkins. I'm getting some weeding done as well. The broadleaf dock has been popping up everywhere, and that has kind of been the basis for my compost pile. I'm collecting some food scraps as well, but I'm starting with the weeding from the garden as the basis for the compost pile. And then I'll add some cardboard, add my food scraps, hopefully have a good brown to green ratio, and that will help my soil next season. I'm really hoping to close that loop and provide my own fertilizer and soil amendments with my compost. I'm really hoping not to add anything from outside the garden. So yeah, fun in the sun, and things are starting to grow. Yay! Check out those zucchini plants. Woohoo!